Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a YouTube video link on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you haven't already logged into the Bluesky application, go ahead and open it up and proceed forward with your username or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can tap on the create button in order to create your new post. Now, within this page, you can simply paste any link from YouTube that you have. To acquire the link, you can open up the YouTube application on your device, and once you find a video that you wish to share, you can just tap on the share button and then click on a copy link. You can then go back to the Bluesky application and just paste this link. When you do so, the YouTube video will also appear along with its thumbnail. You can also add any additional comments that you wish, and now you may just tap on the post button in order to post this link. And now your post has successfully been published and it will now be visible to your followers. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to post a YouTube link on the Bluesky application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.